Okay, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this review of this Dezful wireless mouse, and also rechargeable battery. There is no battery needed to be inserted. And this is the Portronics wireless mouse for this laptop, and this is the new laptop. That's why the user has purchased this Dezful wireless mouse. And this Portronics needed one AA battery inside here, and the micro USB should be connected to the laptop in order to work. And this has both the options. This micro USB also you can connect, and this is Bluetooth connected, means with the Bluetooth, if you turn on the Bluetooth and Dezful wireless mouse Bluetooth, it works. Means as soon as you switch on the laptop, this automatically gets connected and work. The only connection you need to do is at the first time. If you don't know how to connect this Dezful wireless mouse with the laptop, I already did a video tutorial, you can check that. Okay, coming to the review, it has been like almost 6 to 7 months the user has purchased this Dezful wireless mouse with RGB lights. You can consider this as a gaming sort of mouse, but the build quality is medium, I can say. Okay, if you can see the touch response even without keeping it on the table, yeah, and the scroll also, yeah. And coming to the user experience, if we charges this laptop fully, for example this day, and again the user is charging this wireless mouse after like 3 to 4 days, and the minimum usage per day you can consider like 3 to 4 hours the office work the user will do, you can consider maximum 5 hours per day he's using, and for every 4 days to 5 days he is keeping this charge. And the cable for the charging also is available in the box only, they provided in the box. And this button is the DPI, you can increase and decrease the sensitivity of the mouse. And let us check how it is working. See here, if you can observe the mouse movements, I just opened the Chrome and I'll just browse through Google. Yeah, with each button click, the sensitivity or the movement of the mouse gets increased and decreased. So at appropriate point where you're satisfied, you can keep the mouse movement. Yeah, and automatically the colors gets changed. So see here, now it is pink. Okay, now it has turned to whitish or something like that. Yeah, if you can observe, it would be better in the dark room or in the nights, during the nights. As I am recording, I just switch on my lights, that's the reason it is not able to show you the exact colors. And coming to this yeah, this is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 7000 series, AMD Ryzen 5. I did a detailed review for this laptop, which is of 16 GB. I'll be posting that in the description, please do find it. And user didn't experience any issues with this mouse, but the only thing is when sometimes it gets into the idle state, at that point of time it takes like hardly 10 to 20 seconds. This would be common for any wireless mouse. So the touch comfortability or the holding comfortability is also fine. When compared to this mouse is a little bit less weight, and the user is not, to be honest, frequently using this laptop. They just using this inbuilt mouse pad only. They didn't reported any issues, but their satisfactory level is medium, you can consider. High, low, medium, you can consider medium, 50-50. They are not very much impressed with this wireless mouse or very much dissatisfied, but it's in the middle. That is due to the responsiveness. At sometimes it is getting idle. Other than that, they didn't reported any issues. And the build quality is also good. If you can see the shape, it looks premium and handy also. Okay, yeah, see. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, while I'm recording the video, This mouse is working absolutely fine, and this is the gel I purchased to clean my laptop. Just now I cleaned this laptop. If you can see the look, it is pretty much clean. This laptop I have been using for the past 4 years. I did posted that video of this cleaning of this laptop. You can find it in the description. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.